Hey, it's Brad from Security All-Star. We are so glad to be with Alarm.com. We sat through the classes today, and we keep getting questions about, hey, why would I buy you over Simplisafe or some of these other cheap options? Man, the price point, the entry-level price point is the same as some of the cheaper stuff, but it's incredibly functional. You got some new products coming out. Can you talk maybe about this, which is kind of comparable to Ring, but better?
Yeah, we got now a battery doorbell camera, so you don't need to wire up to anything if or if you don't have wiring that exists. Now you get all the great features of Alarm.com doorbell and integration.
Video analytics.
Video analytics, yes. So when people come to your door, get notified when you're at work, and even ties into the lock, so you can unlock the door from that screen while you're watching them on video.
Yes, and then they partner with Qolsys. Y'all are powering Qolsys, really. They have a new NS panel coming out, which is a no screen. Basically meaning you've got the ability to come into the best software that's in the industry, but at a price point that's actually less than things like, I hate to say Simplisafe, but they just torn up the industry as far as pricing goes. Can you tell us a little bit about what to expect in about 2 months as far as the release on the NS? Do you know?
Sure. I mean, it's the same great Qolsys panel we've worked with over all the years, so all the same features and functionality are available. You're just going to be using the Alarm.com application instead of a screen to control everything. Otherwise, works with automation, say Power G sensors, all that good stuff.
And when you say automation, I don't think people realize, if you want to just put a base security system in, you want to do just intrusion detection, it's like, this is perfect. You want to add a doorbell, it's perfect. Anything you want to add on, you can in the near future or long-term future. Like this new system, even the NS will literally power an entire building for automation, access control, right?
Yeah, lights, locks, thermostats, garage, everything. Absolutely.
Yes. Hey, like and subscribe. This is the best in the industry. Thank you for giving us 2 minutes. I appreciate it.
Of course, thank you.